Salam everyone, hi everyone. Today we're making samosa, chicken samosa. Add oil into a pot and let it get hot. Then you can add your onions to let it fry a little bit. Add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon rosemary. Add your grated garlic and ginger and chilli. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon dhania. Add now your chicken mince and mix it well together and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now your mince is ready. You can dish it out on a plate and put it aside to cool down. Now you can take your samosa par and fold it and add some mince in and fold it again. To close it, you can mix a little bit flour with water. Now the oil is hot. You can fry now your samosa. When your samosa is getting golden brown, then you can take it out. Now it's ready, you can take it out. Add it to a sieve so the oil can drain out. Now your samosa is ready, you can eat it with any sauce you want. Eat and enjoy.